In order to change your results, living paycheck to paycheck, being stressed out, worrying about your future or even your present circumstances right now, why not focus on working on the neural patterns, the beliefs and habits that are nothing more than patterns in the brain that drive 96 to 98% of your behavior? There's an outer game of your results, but there's also an inner game that's going on. And you and I have been trained. We've been conditioned to think a certain way, to believe certain things, to feel certain things about ourselves. And when we change the inner game around our beliefs, our habits, our perceptions, and of course our behaviors, then we start to alter the results in our lives. So if you want to change your results, don't focus on the things that aren't working. Focus on altering your beliefs and your habits and mastering your emotions so that you could be more productive instead of just active, so that you can focus on the things that'll help you double or triple your income so you'll have more discretionary time and income to do the things that you love to do and to remove your stress and to remove any of the destructive thought patterns, emotional patterns, or behavioral patterns that are not helping you achieve the biggest spiritual, emotional, and physical goals that you want to achieve.
Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, feeling stressed about your future, or even your present circumstances? John Assaraf shares the key to changing those results: focus on the neural patterns, beliefs, and habits that drive behavior. These patterns control 96 to 98% of daily actions. If someone wants to change their financial situation, it's not just about external circumstances, it's about what's happening within. When beliefs, habits, and emotional responses shift, everything begins to change. In our upcoming workshop, Financial Fear, Your Program for Financial Freedom, best-selling author, world-class keynote speaker, and the heart and the creator of Positive Prime, Kim Serafini, will guide you through these powerful concepts. She will uncover the critical patterns that may be holding you back and help you understand how your thinking influences your financial situation. You will learn how to transform limiting beliefs into a solid foundation for future financial success. What are you waiting for? This is the chance to take control of your financial future. Register now and start building the life you deserve.